Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add baggage on TigerAir. So follow these detailed steps to add baggage to your booking using TigerAir. The first thing you like to do is to open your web browser and visit the TigerAir homepage. Log into your account by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner. Enter your login credentials, email, password, and click login. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this homepage. From this homepage, hover over the Ready to Go tab, which is in the top navigation menu. And from the drop down menu, you're going to see Manage Booking. Now select Manage Booking. And that's going to walk you right into the Manage Booking window. In there, you're going to be prompted to enter your booking reference number, which is going to be displayed here, and your given name and your surname. So enter your booking reference number, then your given names and your surname, and click on search. So once you click on search, your booking details will be displayed. And once your booking details are displayed, review the flight information to ensure it is correct. Then click on Edit or Modify Booking button next to your flight details. Look for the baggage section in the modification menu. Choose your desired baggage allowance, example additional kilograms or pieces. The system will display the applicable fees for your selection. Confirm your baggage selection by clicking Add to Booking. Then a summary of your updated booking will appear, including the added baggage fees. Review all changes to ensure accuracy. Proceed to the payment section to pay for your additional baggage. Select your preferred payment methods, which could include credit card, debit card, etc. Enter your payment details securely and click Confirm Payment. After the payment is processed, you receive a confirmation email with the updated booking details, additional baggage information, and payment receipt. You can also view the updated details under My Bookings in your account. Doing this, you have successfully added baggage to your booking on TigerAir. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.